All right, guys. So I've been asked to show how I use Zoom clips with the teleprompter for Zoom. So what we're going to do here is we are going to get going. All right. So I've got my clips ready to go. I'm at home and my clips. I want to pull up the teleprompter. So what I'll do first is I'll put up the teleprompter. And we'll say I've got a marketing script that I've already created. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to say marketing 2. I'm going to open that up. Now we've got the script that I'm going to use for my presentation. Because I don't have to get into Zoom to a Zoom meeting, I could just pull it up right from Zoom Workplace. I'm going to pop out this window. Now I've got the teleprompter ready to go. And I pulled out my script. I've got the chapters that I might jump through in the presentation. I can jump through chapters just by using this. I can set my font. And my font, I want to set my scroll speed. I want to do a bunch of things here. So my scroll speed is typically around a 6. 6.3 is fine. My size of the text is usually about this size. 36 is great. If I press present, it'll go right into presentation mode. And there we're good. Now we go back to Zoom. We go to Zoom clips. What we're going to do is we're going to record a video clip. And there's multiple ways to record a video clip. So you can have a straight video, which I like to do, or you can have screen share only, or you can use screen share plus video. We'll do a straight video today. Okay. And first things first. Great. I've got my eyeline pretty good. I know where that's at. Now I kind of just want to get rid of this screen or make it really small. And the reason why you want to do that is you know what you look like. You've got your everything in place. Now what you'd want to do is you want to get the teleprompter. So you go back, open up the teleprompter. Now you have everything in place, right? This is your teleprompter. This is where you're going to be reading from. And then you're going to hit start recording. Start recording is recording me on the camera, but me looking at close to the camera and reading my script. Now I can go through and read the script, get through my presentation, get through all. So after you're done with the recording, right? So you've done your video recording, you've got through your script. You may, again, have done it a few times through the video, with Zoom clips recording. You got through your script a couple of times, and then once you're done with the video and you press stop, what will happen is the video will then take a couple of minutes, but Zoom clips will then render your video. And what you do then is you want to trim the video. So say you started recording, you did it a couple of times. The great thing about Zoom clips is it becomes really easy to edit because you have the transcript. So you know like the script and you know you've gone it through it a few times and you may have done it 3 times and the 3rd time you nailed it and you're like, yes, this is awesome. And this is where I started in the video, right? So this is where the time is that I started that 3rd time of the script, right? So you want to edit that. So to do that, you go hit the scissors right there, which says you're going to cut it. And then I know that I started around here. You might want to start just a little bit before that, but you'll drag this over here. And I know I ended it right here. And so I'm going to drag this. So now you're just trimming the heads and tails of the video. And then you save it. So now you've cut out all the other pieces of the video. You save it. And then you can now share that video. Whether you download it, you can share that video just with a link. You can embed that video. So maybe you want to put that video in a web page. You want to put that video in an email. You can use a GIF or just a static thumbnail. There's many different ways to share it. And the great thing is with Zoom Clips is it'll show you how many people played it, who watched it, and that becomes very helpful. So hopefully you see the value in using Zoom Clips with the PitchUp teleprompter. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.